I don't know if I've ever been this excited about computer crap. Hmm? So you mean to tell me I bought a monitor and I gotta put it together too? Holy. Coming from a car guy, eh? Oh, in with an HDMI. That's an HDMI. Like, give you so much stuff. No wonder there's operating manuals. Like, how do I operate this disc here, there, with no case? Like, really? No. Guess I gotta move this out of the way. We're building. You're telling me I'm going into computers. Careful. Careful. Alright, we got the appropriate tools. You know, because we're not a tool. How many foot-pounds? Don't want to over-torque them and strip the hell out of them when it needs maintenance, eh? Well, folks, after all that, 12 minutes, we got a monitor. Lord knows what the next box will be like. Let's put you back over here. Now for the last guy, hopefully we don't gotta build it ourselves, but I mean, like, you know what I always say, figure it out. If we gotta build it, we'll build it. Alright, let's see. Kinda looks like we gotta build it. Nah, it looks like a computer. Does it? Well, guess I wasted my time on the keyboard. Apparently they just come with keyboards. Maybe I gotta build it. I gotta build it. Oh, no, I'm ripping it. Comes with the bloody mouse too. Wow, would you look at that? Well,